Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Well, the theme of this video is underrated artists, and I'm the kind of guy who's just really good at finding stuff, finding the best equipment, finding the best friends, best food, just a lot of good stuff. And let's just try and find some good music here, because I believe I found a really rare artist. Her name is Lizzy, and for copyright reasons, I can't really show you what's on these videos because YouTube is going to flag me. But I'll just quickly show you that this artist Lizzy, check her out. She has a lot of good albums. I've actually bought like 3 of her 5 albums or something like that. And I really think that she's got this very raw talent of really connecting to the feelings, and that intensity and an uncontrolled temper, where there isn't a record label trying to make her into something that she's not. So I really appreciate that. That's one of the really great things about YouTube, that artists like this can exist. But yeah, check this one out. This was really good. Also, this one here, and Hero, really good, and especially this one, Story of My Life. And yeah, just like this one is also good, this one is also good. Those are the ones that I can remember. Also, there's one called I think Wedding Day or something like that, live. That was also a really good one she made. And there are lots more. I don't know why YouTube aren't showing more from Lizzy. She's not the most consistent artist, and she's not the most sellable artist out there. But I really think that this girl really has a lot of talent, and once in a while she really hits a home run. So yeah, if you can support an artist like her, I would definitely suggest doing that. On to the other artist that I found, and that's Aurora. Aurora is starting to get appreciated here. Just notice, I think she's grown the last couple of months quite a bit. She's also like a pretty underrated artist. Lots of talent. Runaway, stuff like that. She generally just makes a pretty high standard of really good music with everything she touches. Especially, listen to this one. Also, I think The River and Soft Universe, and which one was it? Gentle Earthquake was also really good. Queendom, yeah, pretty good. Which one was there? Yeah, I Went Too Far, really, really good. Under the Water, yeah. Runaway, live version here. And Through the Eyes of the Child, really, really beautiful. Just really talented, energetic, young person. Lots of talent. Really good mixing of videos. Good presentation. She has a very unique style. Check her out. She's got a lot of talent. She's really, really talented. And which one was it now? Yeah. I found this yesterday. And it's a band called IMY2. She's got a lot of talent. She makes some really good cover songs. Check this one out. Blinding Lights from The Weeknd, their cover. This one also really good. Generally, everything she does is pretty top notch. Also, check this one out. The Way You Make Me Feel. That's a really good version. And also Fast Car. And just generally, she's also really up there. Professional, talented, versatile. I'm surprised she hasn't become more popular. She's only got like 60-some thousand subscribers. Check her out. She's really cool. And little surprise for you guys. Not to scare you, but check this one out. This is a fun song. Actually a bit catchy, from Tom Green back in the olden days. And also now that we're talking about Blinding Lights, this is how I originally found that other band. Maestro Sicos, The Weeknd Blinding Lights Donald Trump cover. Just check that out. That's just hilarious. That's a really catchy song. It's disturbingly good. It's disturbingly good. So yeah, that's all I have with this edition, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.